A while ago, I built a coffee table aquarium. It's well over 300 liters, and a tank that size sitting in the middle of the living room comes with its own maintenance requirements. The weekly water change was always a hassle. I was fixing a tube to the aquarium, trying to get the water flow started and ditching the dirty tank water in the front yard. During the winter months, the cold would get inside the house. During summer months, we were sleeping with the mosquitoes. Then to refill the aquarium, there was the hauling around with buckets of water, carefully emptying them one by one. Long story short, on a quest to simplify the weekly water change, I decided to make a semi-automatic water changing system. I wanted a system to simply fix a garden hose to the aquarium, push a button to empty the tank and push a button to refill it. Add a couple of safety measures as not to drain the entire aquarium or not to overfill it, and the weekly 2 to 3 hour water change is no longer considered a chore.